Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to enable 4G support for your SIM card on any Android device. It's super easy and takes less than a minute. So let's get into it. First, unlock your phone and go to your settings app. And now go to connections. Now tap on mobile network or SIM and network settings depending on your phone model. If you have dual SIMs, choose the SIM you want to enable 4G for. As you can see, I only have one right now. Now go to network mode. Now from the list, choose 4G, LTE or LTE 3G, 2G, whatever is available. This will make sure your SIM card connects to the 4G network when available. You should see the 4G or LTE symbol at the top of your screen now. If it still does not show 4G, make sure your SIM card supports 4G and mobile data is turned on. Swipe down your screen and turn on the mobile data. And another, ensure that you are in an area with 4G coverage. And that's it. You will now be able to set your SIM card to use 4G. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more Android tips. And let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.